Take a cup and add 4 scoops of baking soda and 2 scoops of cornstarch to it. Add 2 drops of red color. Add 5 milliliters of water. Add few drops of oil and mix well using the spatula. Have an adult microwave the contents of the cup for 10 seconds, using a microwave-safe container. Take out the container and let it cool for 5 minutes. Then, take the dough in your palm and knead it. Did you see the Play-Doh?
Whoa!
Scientific explanation. When baking soda and cornstarch are heated together, they combine to form a clay-like substance that resembles Play-Doh.